Hey guys, welcome. So, if you are interested in becoming a broker and an AI credit specialist, we are looking for 100 women that wants to get their credit fixed and also help others to get their credit fixed. So, here is my website, which is freedompath.com/blackwealth101. Okay. This is the page that you will also get once you sign up. Okay. And you can read this if you want to. Um, and just see. Now, this company's been around for about 3-4 years. But the owners have been in financial services for about 40 years. So we do everything from business credit, personal loans, business loans, estate planning, health insurance. We help you to become a certified broker. We help you to become a certified life insurance broker. We also help you to become a certified health insurance broker. We also help people to do rent reporting also too, and you'll be able to put your picture there as well. And this is a work from home opportunity. You can click on the opportunity below. You can click on the opportunity below, start your financial service business with Freedom Path. Then you would click on um, start your business. Why Freedom Path? It basically tells you everything. We got training basically every day. We have different marketing, but we teach you how to do all of this stuff. And then you just click on start your business today. Okay, and basically you would fill out, of course, all of your info. Right here. So I'm just going to put anything right here. I'll just put anything right here so you guys can go ahead and see. I'm just put anything. My name is there. I just put like a fake number there. I'm not a robot. So you guys can actually see the ways to join, okay? So boom, you can become a broker and a member for $100 a month and $289 one time. Okay. Work remotely, own your own branded website, which is like this one. Growth opportunity, build your own brokerage, compensation, training, dedicated support, community, and access to products and services. That's if you want to fix your credit. You also get business funding. You also help others do the same thing. If you just want to offer the services, okay, you pay $49 a month, $129 right now. Same thing, except you will not be able to start fixing your credit, accessing business funding, and all of the other things, that we offer. Okay, all of the other things that we offer. Okay, so let's go to the back office now. So here's the back office. Right here, right? This is how the back office actually looks. Okay, and it basically shows you the back office, what the back office is looking like, the rising stars, the people that are doing things, of course, within the company. This is how it looks, your dashboard, the events, the reports of your team. We also have broker training, okay, which is very important because you want to know how you're getting paid and you want to know the whole process, right? You want to know what the process is to helping people get business funding, for their business. Like that's very important. We also got the resources, your commission. Here's the freedom wealth. Here's the freedom funding. Here's the health. Here's the life insurance, the marketing, the help desk. We also have like a merch, and you won't see this if you're not at the 289 level. Only if you are at the 289 level, you'll see membership. That means you're also a member of Freedom Path. And if you're not, you won't see this. This will not show up for you, but mostly everything else will basically show up for you. And then you have the broker training, right? You go through the broker training. We show you what to do. You become a certified broker, like literally, and then you can offer Freedom Wealth, Freedom Health, Freedom Funding, Freedom Pay, which is merchant accounts, the Freedom Business Credit Academy, where we show people how to get their business together, which is $1,500 a year. And we guarantee that we're going to give you $50,000 in business funding, and then Freedom Life, which is the life insurance. So this is financial literacy in one system. This is what we all need. We need someone who knows about financial literacy, or you need to be the one who knows about financial literacy. So we're looking for people that want to make an extra $1,000 to $5,000 a month from the comfort of their home. We show you how to market. We show you how to use it. We get into the group with over 10,000 people in the group. We show you how to get customers. And if you want to just build a customer base, we show you how. Or if you want to build, and also too, if you want to build a team, we show you how to do that as well. So make sure you guys click on the link below. Okay, get into this Freedom Path so you can access Freedom Wealth, Freedom Health, Freedom Funding, Freedom Pay, Freedom BCA, and Freedom Life. So I look forward to hearing from you guys. Peace.